Okay, the roof has been treated, and as you can see, it is nice and clean. Now keep in mind, the right way to clean a house is 6 months ago. The second best time is today. What that means is the best way is when we treat it, not to force anything off, just let it sit, and the rain will wash it off, because the algae and all the other stuff that's growing on the roof will disintegrate over time. But if you try to force it off, even with a low pressure, rinsing, it's not the best thing. The best thing is to kill whatever organic growth you have on the roof, and then after a couple months of downpours, it will be gone and it will be good to go and look great. Anyway, Richard, NorthStar Enterprises, saying peace out.